Hi guys. So today I'm going to be having a lot of target practice with my new guns. This one. This one. This one. And for the final one, this one. And I'm going to be using this tiny can. Now, I've got them all loaded. Locked and loaded. So it's time to take them to the test. First up, the pistols. First of all, the pistol. It's bad power. It's got bad power, sure. Bad aim, sure. But if you run out of heavy artillery like this, if you run out of ammo, you can draw out your pistol and shoot. This is heavy artillery known as weapons. Okay, now it's time to use the pistol. Really good aim. And now, as you can see, I have knocked it backwards. I picked it up the way it was. Now it's time to set it back up. Next one. Okay, I'm only using bullets today, but tomorrow I'm going to be using them all of them at the same time. Now it's time to use this one. This is an aiming piece. I just use it as one. So if you think it'd be efficient for aiming, please write down hashtag aiming piece, and if I get more, please do that. And looks like I missed. Time for the next one. Shotgun. I know if you're wondering how to reload this type of gun is quite simple. You pull forward, load it like that, put your 2 bullets in like I have done, put it back up, load, and time to fire. Wow, really good aiming. I'm only going to be using 1 bullet, so... Okay now, that is just my lunch getting ready. Okay now, I need to take this bullet out. Somehow, instead of using these type of bullets, I use these. Remember, these, whatever you do not shoot them at people. They can hurt. Okay, now it's time to test. It's time to test the sniper's aim. Wow, really good aim. Now, next test, power. But before we do that, a quick break. Part two is going to be power. So please leave a like or subscribe.